mobile phone production in India has increased from 5.8 crore units valued at about 18,900 crore in 2014-15 to 31 crore units valued at 2,75,000 crore in the last financial year.
Hi guys, this is Vishnu. On February 1st, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said that India gained its capacity to build around 31 crore mobile units in the period of 2022 to 2023. By this, its value increased from 18,900 crore rupees to 2,75,000 crore rupees. Guys, today India has the capacity to reach Moon, Mars and other planets too. And also, we have huge capacity to manufacture and supply medicines. We have crazy ability to run IT field, and more importantly, recently we acquired 5th largest economic place. Also, we have 108 unicorn companies, and this list is keep on growing every year. But somewhere India failed in one particular place, and that is mobile manufacturing industry. Well, the intention of making this video is to show that how India lost its ability to manufacture its own mobile phones, and most importantly, how China gained control to hold around 69% of market share in this mobile manufacturing industry. Well, let's decode this problem. And by the way, if you get some valuable information from this video, means please hit the like button, because it will help our YouTube algorithm to understand that we are giving good contents to you. And also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel in order to show your support our work. So guys, let's get back to the topic. Before going to this topic, first we should know the basic information about our Indian telephone market, because it will help us to understand the entire content clearly. Well, today India's telecommunication network is the second largest network in the entire world. Also, India has 1,179.49 million active users. In this, 747.41 million users are using internet. So, after seeing all these reports, the only question that pops up in our mind is that today we have this huge amount of customer base and facilities. Then, instead of using these facilities to manufacture our own mobile phones, why we are still depending on China? And most importantly, how China became global leader in the mobile manufacturing industry? To get the proper answer for all this means we need to go back to our history. 1995. This was the year when India heard its first mobile ringtone. On 21st of July 1995, West Bengal CM Jyoti Basu made the first mobile phone call to then Telecom Minister Shukram at Sanchar Bhavan from his mobile phone. Right after this, on August 15th, 1995, India got its first official internet connection. By the way, at that time, the call rate was 16 rupees for incoming and outgoing calls. Due to this high price, India took 5 years to reach 5 million users. And eventually, this number increased to 10.5 million users by the end of 2002. And today, India has around 1,200 million users. By the way, in 2014, India had only 2 mobile manufacturing units. However, with the internet access becoming more affordable and the emergence of e-commerce in India, Chinese brands started to sell their products at low costs. By this, the demand for smartphones rose exponentially. During this time, Chinese brands started to acquire domestic manufacturers such as Micromax, Lava, Carbon, Intex in terms of popularity. Then, in September 2016, Mukesh Ambani announced their new telecom service called Jio, which brought a huge turning point to India from all sides. Guys, instantly, demand for 4G mobiles rose and Chinese players like Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi and other players started to push their products by giving huge offers from all platforms like Amazon, Flipkart and even in local markets too. Due to their less price strategy, Indian manufacturers started to lose their customer base gradually. Guys, right now China has around 69% of market share in the mobile manufacturing industry. Do you know why? Because of their low labor costs, a huge network of suppliers and government support for the industry. And these steps made China to acquire this huge percentage of share in the market. Okay, so what is the history and connection between mobile and China? Well, to get the answer for all this means we need to go back to 1990. Because back then, the Chinese government began to open up the country's economy to foreign investment. And this particular step led to acquiring necessary technologies and machineries to manufacture mobile phones. Well, during this time, in 1993, China succeeded to bringing Motorola into their country to manufacture mobile phones. As a result, other foreign companies like Nokia and Ericsson also entered China to start their business. So guys, this is how China put its first step into this field. Meanwhile, demand for mobiles has already started to increase throughout the world. And this side, China was already prepared with another game-changing plan. That was, they started to give mobile manufacturing licenses and technologies to its new manufacturers in a rent form. As a result, government earned billions of income from this rent. But there was one problem. Until 2001, China had only few manufacturers to supply entire world. Where to find the solution for this problem, this country joined the World Trade Organization in 2001. And guys, this particular step made this country to open up to entire market of the world. And luckily, on the other side, in 2004, Taiwan introduced its first ever integrated chip. I mean IC. We also use this kind of IC in today's mobile also. So guys, this is where China got a perfect grip in the mobile manufacturing industry. And due to the invention of this IC, manufacturing cost of mobiles were drastically decreased. And do you know what happened next? So many non-licensed people also started to enter into this manufacturing field. As a result, so many illegal China-made mobiles were started to enter into the market. Guys, you may ask me that why India never tried to manufacture its own mobile phones? Well, India also attempted to manufacture mobile phones before 2000, but they were not very successful. In fact, the mobile phone industry was still in its early stage at that time. And India did not have the infrastructure or technologies to manufacture mobile phones at that time. However, for your information, in 1994, the Indian government launched a program called Telecom Mission to encourage the development of the domestic telecommunication industry, including mobile phones. And this step led to the creation of companies such as Bharat Electronics Limited, Hindustan Teleprinters, and Indian Telephone Industries. The main intention behind this step was to develop indigenous technologies to manufacture mobile phones inside India. But nothing changed. Well, one of the main reasons for this failure was the lack of infrastructure, skilled labor, and technology needed to manufacture mobile phones. And more importantly, back then, India did not have the proper ecosystem for the production of electronic components. So guys, these problems made it difficult to compete with established manufacturing hubs like China and Taiwan. Well, after the entry of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the mobile industry in India underwent several changes, particularly in terms of manufacturing and digitalization, like Make in India. In 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched this Make in India initiative, which aimed to boost domestic manufacturing and attract foreign investment. This initiative has led to a significant increase in the number of mobile phone manufacturing industries in India. By the way, during this time, Indian brands like Micromax, Lava, Carbon, Intex got a lot of opportunity to expand their business. Digital India. The Digital India campaign was launched in 2015 to increase digital connectivity and to promote the use of digital technologies in India. This particular campaign has led to increased internet penetration and widespread adoption of mobile phones. Guys, we all know what happened in 2016. Jio. Due to the unbelievable offers from Jio, made the entire country enter into the new world of internet. And on the other side, due to demonetization, India knowingly unknowingly started to use the digital payment system, which has further fueled the growth of the mobile industry. Well, parallelly, the government of India was working to bring foreign brands to manufacture their phones in India. By giving tax benefits and many other facilities, it encouraged to manufacture their products in India. By the way, in 2020, when COVID-19 shook the world, so many major brands started to come out from China. And this particular year brought so many opportunities to India to boost its Digital India initiative. So guys, there are still so many things yet to do to achieve what India is planning for. As we all know that good things take time, right? So guys, this is all about how China became king in the mobile industry. Well, I hope you all got some valuable information from this video. If yes, please hit the like button because it will help our YouTube algorithm to understand that we are giving good contents to you. And also, Please don't forget to subscribe our channel in order to show your support our work. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.